Hello, this is real business here. Yes, I need to speak to you urgently. No, it's my lighter. It's broken. I think. I think it's broken. Yeah, look. That doesn't work anymore. I don't want to hang around. You're broken, this is.